Hello friends, this is my underwater food chain game that I made on Make Code Arcade. So the aim of this game is to make the fish eat the phytoplankton and earn 100 points, and if you score 1000 points you win the game, and if you get eaten by the shark you lose lives. In total, there are 3 lives, and the game controls are the arrow keys and the joystick. A is used to restart the game. You can play it on a web browser or in your mobile phone. I've shared the link in the description box. Play and enjoy. Thank you.